So this is part 3, the removal of wheel hub. Okay, so the plan here, we have 4 bolts here. I think this is 16 mil socket. So I'm gonna remove 16 mil bolts on the wheel hub. So I will tell you the plan. The plan is as you can see on the previous video, they put like a spray amount of WD-40 in here, just to soften whatever the rust in there, so to make it soft, the system. Okay, and then it will be easier for us to remove later on. Okay, we will not do guns for this one. We will remove it by hand, by torque wrench at the moment, and then once it get crack open, then that's the time we will use guns. So guys, we will be removing it manually. This is 14 mil. Like, we're gonna use a torque bar to just crack open slowly, otherwise the bolt will snap. Slowly. Okay, the bolt's turning, that's a good sign. And on the other side, okay, it's also good. On the other side, also good. The last one, yeah. So we have good here. We have good news. Now we can use our guns to remove the 4 bolts completely. This is the bolt that's holding the wheel hub, passenger side rear. Okay, so like that. Remove it. So just a reminder, just when you about to loosen the bolt, which is very hard, try to loosen it by crack open by hand first, and then you will use the gun after. Don't use the gun straight away, because it will ended up like nightmare, or the bolt might be like bald on the head. Like, see this one, it will bald if you force it. Okay, now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tap in here. We're gonna tap until it separate. On the other hand, we're gonna use the flathead screwdriver here to tap. We will see. Maganda sana pagka buong wheel hub na, wheel hub assembly ng bibilhin, kaya para hindi tayo mahirapan ito magtanggal ng bearing. So anyway, if ever what it is, we have the bearing slave, no, compressor. So whatever it is, kung anong mabili niya, ayos lang. But for now, we need to remove first the hub. And by doing that, simply we need to tap on the outside, from the inside going outside. Again, we'll try not to remove the brake shoe. Try not to remove the brake shoe. We're doing the shortcut here. We're not removing the brake assembly, brake shoe assembly. See ya. So we'll still apply W40 here. There's two. Yeah.
Tala part.
You get it?
Ha?
Did you get it?
Sa tala parts nga, i-order pa nila. 3 o'clock pa daw. Ayun dito, 12 o'clock. Ayun dito na lang.
Assembly yung will hub na binili mo. Hub.
Buo daw.
Buo. Sige. Ayos. Okay. So, ang problema doon sa Abante, front brake hose, driver side, yung brake hose niya twisted ba?
Okay na.
Twisted na pagkalagay. Bago yung brake pad eh.
Inalagay niya yan eh.
Bagong brake pad tapos twisted kaya bumagsak sa NCT.
Paano twisted?
Baluktot ba? Spaghetti na pagkalagay. Ano yan? So, ayos na yun. Wala namang tama yung brake hose. Ayos lang.
Papasayad.
So ito na lang.
Nilinis mo.
Ha?
Para mukhang bago.
Hindi na. Wala nga na eh. Walang tama eh. Ayos lang eh. Kink lang yung comment doon eh. Kink. So ibig sabihin yung kink eh. Yung twisted or spaghetti ng pagkalagay.
Umikot.
Hindi umikot. Talagang twisted. Talagang ganoon ba? Alam mo yung lubid na pinaganoon?
Kaya binagsak siya.
Oo.
Walang brake to pupunta.
Walang ano. So
yung bearing assembly.
ito na yun. Ito siya.
Saan?
Ito yung hub. Tatanggalin natin ang buo.
Tatawagan daw ako eh. 12:30 dadating.
Tatawagan ka.
Yung sa tala kasi ganun din. Kung pupunta ako, maghahanap ako doon kung wala pa ako makuha. So, paano nila nalamang one yan? Gumagalaw.
At saka itong gulong na ito, parang yung sensor niya sa loob, bumigay siguro kaya mayroong tunog. Bakit ganun may lobo? Hindi mabagsak. Na ano yan, na curve. Pero hindi nakita. Ang ano lang, ang word lang, yung sensor niya sa loob,
May tumutunog.
nasira siguro. Kaya, anyway, yung tire niya palitan na din. Kita mo? So,
Palitan yung harap lang eh.
Whatever, kailangan din palitan ito. Tapos, ano mo tong tumutunog sa loob. So may something inside that is loose and it's not good. It's called vibration. Okay, so not bad. So
Buo daw yan, hindi daw pwedeng bearing lang.
pero pwede naman talaga ano? Pwede naman talagang bibilhin yung bearing lang, pero mas maganda na yung tawag nito. Yung assembly na para factory fitted kasi yung iba. factory fit oh.
Rare yung in-order, rare.
Oh, oh.
Buti na lang, hindi sa amin ginawa.
Oh, tama. Tama. Actually may punto ka din eh. Ha?
Miscommunication, buisit.
Talaga. Anong miscommunication? Walang pagbabago yan.
Ako,
Mag-
mali pagkaintindi, galing duty eh.
Kaya pala eh.
Papahanap sila ng mekaniko. Sabi ko, tinawag mo ba si Chris? Hindi ko pala binigay yung number mo.
Talaga.
Ay, hindi ko naman binigay. Ako na lang mag-text.
Talaga.
Kasi kung mag-drive ako sa Tala, ganun din. Ganap dun, wala pa ako makuha.
Oh.
Mahal pala yung bearing, no?
Oh. Mahal yan. Pati libo nagmahal na din.
Kaya pa. Si ano? Si Ted. Yung Ilonggo.
Ano?
Ginawa mo daw yung ano niya?
Yung brakes.
Oo.
Yung brake niya. Oh.
Mabait yan eh.
Mabait yun. Sinubrahan pa nga yung binigay. Talaga. Oh.
Sabi ko,
Sabi sa ang sabi niya, tinanong ako sa bait sa mga kabali sa mga electric cars ba. Sabi niya, si Richard daw gusto ng electric cars. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige pabilan mo si Richard para siya yung gagawing capital na para magkaroon ng mass production. Kasi kaya nga mahal yung electric cars eh. Kasi kunti pa lang production eh. So, ang gagawin ng kumpanya, mamahalan nila para yung dumubli yung presyo tapos mayroon silang mass production na magawa. O sabi ko,
ayaw maghintay ng mas mura eh.
oh. Sabi ko, i-post mo si Richard na magbumili para siya yung gawing kapital na.
Reset.
Tawa siya ng tawa eh. Talaga.
Wait yan si Teddy. Kasi sabi niya, nagbe-break kami. Sir, may kilala ka ba na ano? Sabi ko meron. Kahit kung kay Teddy, yun, hindi ka pa lulukuhin mo. Gagawin yan tama. Kaya lang, sabi ko, mag-aano yun, naka-live. Kaya nga, wala akong pakialam, mag-live siya. Kasi YouTuber yun. Ano yan eh? Ilonggo ba yun?
Parang Ilonggo ha?
Ilonggo?
Hindi ba wawaray yun?
Hindi, Ilonggo.
Parang
Hindi ba kayo parehas ng salita nun?
hindi. Parang meron siyang lahi na Francisco Daguhoy. Alam mo yun? Francisco Daguhoy ba?
Ano yun?
Oh! Ba't nakapasa ka sa araling panglipunan kung hindi mo kilala si Francisco Daguhoy?
Kasama ba yan ni ano? Makata?
Francisco Daguhoy!
Ano ba yan?
Yung hero!
Oo nga, ano ba siya? Makata ba siya o... Ano?
Francisco Daguhoy?
O dun sa ano, sa gera.
Yung sa gira na ano?
Sa gera nga yan.
Ay, naku.
Kasi yung dalawang anak ko, susundin ko dyan, no? Sa presentation tsaka sa Loreto, alauna.
Okay. Ano siya ngayon? Duty ba siya ngayon?
Sino?
Si ano?
Karen?
Oh?
Bantay bata ako.
So guys, dito na yung natagal ano, sa may pagtanggal ng kanyang ABS sensor. So yung ABS sensor guys, ito yung pinaka-clip niya dito sa baba nakalagay. So unlock like by pushing the plastic clip here. And before you can do that, there is a protective cover on this, like sitting in like that. So papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya na nakalagay. Ganito yung pagkalagay niya guys. So ito yung kanyang safety cover ng kanyang ABS. So nakalagay siya pag ganyan. So before nyo siya matanggal, before siya ma-unlock, tanggalin niyo muna yung pinaka cover niya, which is this one. And then when putting it back, so just like this, putting it back. So ito yung kanyang pinaka protective cover niya para hindi ma-disturbo yung kanyang sensor, no, connector. And then like that, and then push it like that, and then like that, and then comes around like that. Okay, so like that, and then push, and then it will lock itself like so. Okay, so that's the thing there. So when I'm putting it back, just force it like that and it will lock on its own. Okay, so now we will be able to remove the wheel hub itself, wheel hub assembly itself. We can now freely remove the wheel hub assembly. Okay, so that's it. So this is the ABS sensor, and now we are buying the hub assembly itself. So we will not put the wheel bearing in here. Okay, this is kind of sensitive part because this is like done by the factory. So the sensor in here for the wheel bearing. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna kind of clean around in here. Just clean. So once we put in back the new big hub, it will just slide on. Okay, so now that is removed, so we can now spray a brake cleaner. So the oil or the WD-40 was in there, is being dry up and wash out. Okay, so brake cleaner, I mean the WD-40 that we put, just that we spray a minute ago, will just pass away, and that's how you do it. Okay, that's it. Now we're waiting for the parts to come.